in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a question onto your Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just open up your form or quiz or poll, whatever you want to refer to it as. And over on the right panel, there should be a little plus sign inside of a circle. When you hover over it, it says add question. Go ahead and select that, and then you can go ahead and input your question in here, as well as additional options you want to fill in. You can also add pictures or images alongside of the potential answers. And if you want to make this a required question, you can toggle to the right to enable that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.